Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to create this black and white motion graphics reel. This kind of reels are going to viral on Instagram all the time. It's clean, minimal and super satisfying to watch. And the best part, we are going to create the entire thing right here in CapCut. If you are a beginner and want to learn video editing from scratch to earning money, then you can watch this video. So let's get started. I opened CapCut software and now I'm going to drag and drop the assets folder onto the timeline. Don't worry, I will attach the download link for the assets folder in the description. First, bring the white background onto the timeline. Then, change the project layout from default to vertical for a better view. Now, bring the grid overlay image onto the timeline and set its scale to 60%. After that, reduce the opacity to 50%. Next, add the money overlay image to the timeline and reduce from 100% to 70%. Now, bring the black star image onto the timeline and place it in the top left corner. Now comes the important part, the keyframes. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Then move the playhead forward by 3 seconds and rotate the star by 120 degrees. Now copy this star layer and paste it here. Move this to the bottom right corner. Next, add a text layer and type charts. Change the font. Search Cool Vatica font. Then choose Cool Vatica Regular. Change the text color and adjust its position. Now add another text layer and change its font to Tempting. You can download both of these fonts from Google. Now adjust the text as needed. Add another text layer. Just copy and paste it here. Then change the font. Search Cool Vatica BK. Reduce the font size and adjust its position. Now add the barcode image and place it in the top right corner. Next, select all the image layers except the text layers. Then trim them. Now select the money overlay layer and rotate it to -5 degrees. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Move the playhead forward and set the rotation to 0 degrees. CapCut will automatically create the second keyframe. Now select all the layers except the background and grid layer. Then create a compound clip. Select the compound clip and increase its scale 125%. Move the playhead forward and set the scale to 105%. Now select the last keyframe and move it slightly backward. Select the last keyframe pointer, click Show Variable Speed Animation and choose the Ease Out for a smoother animation. Then hide the variable speed panel. Next, go to Effects and add the blur effect. Reduce the blur amount to around 20 or 10. Now add a third keyframe near the end of the clip. Then add a fourth keyframe and decrease the scale. Our first part is complete. Now let's move on the next part. To save time, simply duplicate the previous project and open the duplicate one. First, delete the blur effect and ungroup the compound clip because we won't need everything from the previous design. Just select the unnecessary clips and press the delete key. Now select the grid image and move it to the right side. Change the text and adjust its position. Copy this text layer, change the text, make it a little smaller and adjust it. Now select the larger text and add a shadow effect. Do the same for the smaller text. Next, select the bottom text. Copy the text from the notepad file, paste it here, and adjust its position. Now move the barcode from the top to bottom. Next, add the Bitcoin animation. Trim it from the left side. Adjust its size. Now let's remove the green background. Go to the Remove BG, select Chroma key and increase the intensity until the green background disappears. Reduce the size of the Bitcoin and position it properly. Next, go to the Adjust panel to change its color. Set the saturation to -50. Now select all these layers and create a compound clip. Increase the scale of the compound clip and add a keyframe at the beginning. Move the playhead forward and set the scale of 105%. Now select the keyframe, click Show Variable Speed Animation. Choose the Ease Out animation and then hide the variable speed. Next, add a blur effect. Reduce the blur amount to 10. Then add keyframes to create a smooth blur animation. Finally, add one more keyframe near the end of the clip to finish the animation. The second part is complete. Now, let's move on the final part. To save time, simply duplicate the second project and open the duplicate file. We won't need everything from the previous design. So, select the unnecessary clips and delete them one by one. Now, move the grid image to the center and reduce its opacity. Next, select the first text layer, move it to the top and change the text. Do the same for the second text layer. Adjust the size of both text layers. Now copy these text layers and paste it here. Next, add a text layer and type a hyphen using your keyboard. Then from the curve options at the bottom, set the value 357. Also reduce the size of the curve circle. Now add a shadow effect by following the same settings I am using. After that, reduce the opacity. Add the first keyframe at the beginning. Then move the playhead forward at the second keyframe with the rotation set to 90 degree. Now add the brain image and reduce its size. Go to the adjust and set saturation to -50. Next, select all the layers except the background and grid image. Then create a compound clip. Increase the scale of the compound clip and apply the same animation we created in the previous sections. Just follow the same steps. After you are done, export all three parts and combine them into a single video. You can do this in the same project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.